Alrighty, so we had a great time in Buena Vista and Los Barros. Visit our friends John and Taryn, and after that we went down the one all the way down to San Jose del Cabo. We did take this road here. It's a little toll, but it was very nice and worth it because I've gone through downtown before and it's lots of stops. So if you go, this bypass is really nice. It's out by the airport. And here we went to visit some friends and toured some boats. Alright, we're taking the bypass around San Jose. It's a lot easier and then just go by Hotel Road. Unless you want to go into San Jose. But the side you want to check out is on the south end anyway. So there is a toll road, and this is what you'll go through up here. It's a lot nicer than going through downtown. And you just grab a receipt and then pay. Is that what it is?
Yes, we just go.
And then when you come off, you get a net.
Yes. Shows you where you got on.
Okay. So I guess you just grab a receipt there, and then when you get off, you'll have to pay. This is the toll road going into San Jose del Cabo, and then you can go another way if you want to go all the way to Cabo. So this means driving into the town. I think there's 2 lines.
You can't see the other mirror.
So we're almost through the toll line. There's only 1 lane open, even though it says 2. But we're not in a hurry.
Hola, buenas tardes.
When it started, 82 pesos. So I got, oh shit, that's a lot of money.
Alright, we're through the toll road. Yay!
82 pesos.
82 pesos.
$4.60.
Well, it is a new bypass too.
Yeah, it is. Nice road. Straight.
Yes. San Jose del Cabo.
Zoneria.
Yeah, that's what we want.
I think I'm in the wrong lane. It's over there.
Well, we can go to the said rally or over there if you want.
Yeah.
We got time. There we go. What's the name of this place? Farrell's. I'm gonna go check it out. We came here a long time ago. Let's see if it's just as good now. This is our favorite place to come before, and they've really fixed it up. And the food is even better. We had a really good time here. This place, definitely recommend it if you come to San Jose del Cabo. Lemonada. It's good. Yum, 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 yum. You got the smoked marlin? Oh, we're gonna go get condiments and put on it, huh? Okay. Here's all the condiments here. Put on your sandwiches. They're very good. Okay. It's got it all doctored up. I'm gonna try it out. We haven't had the smoked marlin for like 7 years. It's been a while since we've been down here. It was so good. Is it just as good as we remember, dear? Awesome. So, that's awesome to know. Now I'm gonna try mine. I'm glad to hear our smoked marlin's just as good as it used to be. So, this is from our parking lot. And this is the pathway to the public beach. Real pretty here. We found our place on Overlander. And it's been really helpful finding these unique places. So, really nice. Well, let's see how far the water is. So this is San Jose Cabo. That's where you fly in. It's grown quite a bit since the last time we've been here. And then south of here you have Cabo San Lucas. There's a little lagoon. It has a lot of birds in there. I couldn't tell you what kind. Should probably look them up. And there's the ocean. Hopefully this doesn't fall apart. Doesn't look too stable. Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Nice view up here. All right. So this is over here. It's a hotel. And then on this side is the public beach. So I guess you can say we're urban camping. Still boondocking, but it's in town. It's a public parking spot and it's at the end of the road, and they have security guards at the hotel, so it's other people that stay here say it's quiet and I felt safe. So, and then other times we like to be way out by ourselves. So it's always going to be a mixture of stuff. And then if you need to camp to get some water and dump, sometimes we go on a camping RV place to get everything done. Fun? There's a stable right next to us, so they have horseback riding. Chickens. The cats are having a blast looking at the chickens, but Jake seems to be real interested in the horses. I don't know why. He's just never seen them before or something. Just like the cow was mooing, he kind of went, "What's that?" There's some birds out here. There's some more riders. Tourist riders. Beautiful area. There's a cool little RV right there. Oh, looky there. Our Canadian friend Ann made it. She's in the Navon. And she's gonna be going on that boat we're gonna tour tomorrow. So we'll say hi to her later.
If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And remember, we're on Instagram and Facebook. We're Blue Moon Explorers. Living the dream.